Good morning, friends. It's a crisp Friday morning. The air is wonderful. It's fall out. It's homecoming for all you locals out there. I want to talk about time. My husband Ryan and I just celebrated our 20th wedding anniversary this past week. And all we can keep talking about is 20 years. Where did this 20 years go? I feel like we got married yesterday, literally. And so time flies by, and I want to take a minute and reflect upon time. All of you ladies get me when I say, we need more than 24 hours in our day. We all have the same 24 hours, but what we do in our 24 hours is everything, right? Between working, families, partners, pets, laundry, sleep, meal planning, meal prepping, exercise, friends. So we have so much in our days. I'm not even sure how all you ladies manage to get all this stuff done. So looking at our days and realizing that time is flying by regardless if we want it to or not. This day that I've started today, it's already a quarter way over. So you want to be intentional with the time that you are here on earth, but intentional with your time down to the minute, down to the hour, down to the day. And I want to break that down for you today. Okay. So the ladies that I work with that have been successful with not only losing weight, but keeping it off, do 3 things around their time. The first thing is having an intentional, successful morning routine. Knowing what you want to do with that 15 minutes or 30 minutes, or even better, an hour of your time every morning, and being intentional with your time in the morning to set yourself up for a day of health, and if you're working on your weight loss goals too. So 1, have a successful morning routine. 2, schedule absolutely everything. Schedule it all. I'm in my time in my life that I'm actually looking for ways to slow down, right? But I feel like in order to be able to slow down, I have to schedule absolutely everything. And ladies that have been successful with weight loss have to schedule everything. And what I mean by this is not only schedule the time that you're working and everything you're doing at work, but schedule what you're wanting in your day for intentional. So meal plan, meal prep, exercise, time to sleep, schedule it all. That way, it gets done, because time flies by. Regardless if you get it done or not that day, the day is gone. So if you want to make it happen, you got to schedule it. The third thing is focus. So think of a camera lens, which a lot of us don't have these big giant cameras anymore that we have to focus in and focus out. But you have to focus out. You have to take a step back and pause and reflect on your day and your life. What do you want that to look like for yourself with your weight loss goals? How do you create that in your life? So you have to take a focus out and a step back and look at the big picture. And then once you have that big picture of knowing what you want your life to look like and what you want your health to look like, then that's when we get hyper focused. That's when you narrow that camera lens down to breaking it down minute to minute, day to day, week to week, what it needs to look like to get to that big picture. Okay, so those are the 3 main things: morning routine, scheduling everything so you can't even schedule that time to wind down, relax, and have more relaxing time. And then that third thing is that focus. Okay, focus out, and then you can focus back in. So I have been so excited with working with the women that are my clients now, They have been seeing amazing results, and I'll keep sharing their success stories. It has been exciting to coach them through this journey. But I want to invite you, if you've not popped over to my Facebook coaching group called Weight Loss for Midlife Women, please come join us. It's a group in a community of women that are all there to support each other. It's a positive group, and it's other women who are working on weight loss or improving their health. So pop on over there, and please invite a couple friends to join you. If you're already in this group, invite a few extra friends. The second thing I wanted to invite you to is a coaching call. So if you're interested at all in health coaching and needing the extra support to lose the weight that you want, to get the health of your life that you want, please schedule a mini coaching session with me. It's 30 minutes, it's a free call, and I walk you through what your biggest weight loss goals are and where you're getting stuck at, and how I offer the support to get you to those weight loss goals. So please reach out to me. You can comment below or private message me, and we'll get that scheduled.